Russia, or the Russian Federation, is a country spanning Eastern Europe and the Northern Asia. It is the largest country in the world, covering over 17 million square kilometers and encompassing and more than 8 of the world's inhabited land area. Russia is known all over the world for its thinkers and artists, including writers like Leo Tolstoy and Fyodor, and the ballet dancers. Russia is very large and a diverse country. From 1992 to 1991, it used to be the main part of the Soviet Union. It was a country based on communism, but today its government is federal, semi-pedestrian republic. It has its element of democracy. Russia, the largest country in the world, occupies one-tenth of all the land on Earth. It spans second time zones across two continents and has two coasts on three oceans, the Atlantic, Pacific, and the Arctic. The Russian landscape varies from desert to frozen coastline, tall mountains to giant marshes. Russia enjoys a rich cultural heritage and is home to many of the museums. The most notable includes the Trikov Gallery, the Kremlin Armory, and the State Historical Museums in Moscow, the Hermitage Museum and the Russian Museum in St. Petersburg, the Kazan Kremlin in Kazan, etc. And here are the top places to visit in Russia. Number 1. Moscow. Moscow on the Moskva River is western Russia in the nation's cosmopolitan capital. In its historic core is the Kremlin, a complex that's home to the president and the Tsarist treasures in the armory outside his walled, Red Square, Russia's capital symbolic center. It's home to Lenin Museum, the State Historical Museum, comprehensive collection, and St. Basilica's Cathedral. Known for its colorful onion-shaped domes, the city is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites and is well known for its display of Russian architecture, particularly its historic square and buildings. It is a city of long avenues and majestic squares, leafy boulevards, parks and gardens, luxury housing, bridges, the granite embankments of the Moscow River, and the unique cathedral and the historical sites. The Moscow underground system is one of the most beautiful in the world. Moscow is also a center of recreation. Moscow is actually one of the most interesting Russian cities, which is high tourist oriented. While visiting Moscow, you can also have a tour around its high tourist oriented. While visiting Moscow, you can also have a tour around its Golden Ring Group, small but very efficient ancient historical towns with plenty of museums which are not far from Moscow. Number 2. St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is a Russian port city on the Baltic Sea. It was the imperial capital for 2 centuries, having been founded in 1703 by Peter the Great, subject of the city's iconic bronze horseman statue. It remains Russia's cultural center with venues such as the theater, opera house, and ballet, and the State Russian Museum, showcasing the Russian art from Orthodox icon paintings to Kansky walks. St. Petersburg is rightly called the world's cultural capital. The city boasts world-famous museums, theaters, galleries, architectural monuments, cultural and educational institutions. The heritage of St. Isaac's Cathedral, Russian National Library, and the Russian Museum are just 4 of them. St. Petersburg is a mecca of cultural, historical, and architectural landmarks. Founded by Tsar Peter as Russia's window on Europe, it bears the unofficial status of Russia's cultural capital and the most of the European city, a distinction that it strives to retain its parallel colonial with Moscow. Number 3. Kazan. Kazan is a city in the southwest Russia on the banks of the Volga and the Kazakhstan rivers. The capital of Republic of Tatarstan, a semi-autonomous region, it's known for the centuries-old Kazan Kremlin, a fortified citadel containing museums and the sacred sites. Kremlin landmarks include the Tired Tower or Soyambika, the blue and gold dome Annunciation Cathedral, and the vast colorful cool Sharif Mosque. Kazan is the capital and the largest city of Tatarstan, the semi-autonomous republic in European Russia. Kazan brands itself as the third capital of Russia, following Moscow and St. Petersburg. Number 4. Sochi. Sochi, a Russian city on the Black Sea, is known as a summer beach resort and was host of the 2014 Winter Olympics. Its parks includes the Palmville at Robotim. It's also notable for 20th century neoclassical buildings such as the Column Winter Theatre. Forested Sochi National Park is a 1700 square kilometers protected area in the nearby Cascas Mountains, some 70 kilometers inland. Krasnaya Polyana is a prominent ski resort. Sochi is a priceless pearl of the Black Sea coast, surrounded with brilliant green riparian forest and the exciting mountains that are protected from the northern and the southern winds. Sochi is famous for its steel platforms, mostly northly located in Europe. Owing to the experienced steel carver, Sochi is one of the Russia's most southern cities, located on the Black Sea coast, almost 1,000 miles south of Moscow. It's Russia's busiest seaside resort, attracting more than 4 million visitors every year to its mountains and the sweeping beaches. It is perhaps most famous for hosting the Winter Olympics. Number 5. Saratov. Saratov is a city in the southwestern Russia. It's home to the Hilltop Park Poverty of Victory Park, an open-air museum with World War II tanks and planes. The 1885 Art Museum includes works from the Russian avant-garde period. At the Einstein Museum of Entertaining Science, tours and performances focus on the laws of physics. The Saratov Regional Museum of Local History features early books of religious artifacts. Saratov is noted for several art museums, including the Radishev Art Museum, named for Alexander Radishev, Fedin Art Museum, named after the Russian novelist Konstantin Fedin, Saratov Local History Museum, a state museum named for Nikolai, and some others.